Hey guys, making this video after 2-3 years later. Hope you guys like the video. Last time I made the tutorial, I didn't actually know was the thing W2. Damn it. So guys, my last video was I think 2-3 years ago, and that time I used WD-40, and that time I didn't know actually what WD-40 used to do to the bearings, so I used to use the WD-40 regular regularly. So I'm gonna die here alone. So guys, last time I tried to do a tutorial with WD-40, I didn't actually knew what does the WD-40 do, so I used it like I used to use the WD-40 every time, so I didn't care much, and I didn't know if it damaged the bearing. Like, I used to use the WD-40 all the time, and I didn't know if that ones do any damage to that. And then after you guys told me, I was thinking to take down the video, but it took me lots of time to make the video, and I started saying you guys liked the video, so I kept it. So thank you guys for liking and sharing the video if you guys did. The last one, not this one. I don't know how many people will see this video, but hopefully enough people. Thank you.